the pool.
Kahapon nun, tagal nyo nag-swim.
Yeah.
So ngayon, pahipahinga na tayo. Kasi later, travel na tayo ulit pabalik. So we have energy. Okay, let's enjoy the rest of our vacation, of our mini vacation. Ilang days tayo dito?
4 days.
Oh, we spent 4 days here in Baguio. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay. Tay, okay ka lang? How's your food? Heavy breakfast, parang pa-lunch na to. Okay, enjoy guys.
This is really my favorite thing to do. Watermelon stacking.
That's a lot of watermelon for you, sweetie.
It is.
It really is your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Enjoy eating.
Thank you.
And stacking. Okay. Gloomy day today here in Baguio.
Maybe because we're going to go home.
Yung Baguio yung malungkot kasi uwi na tayo. It's a nice place to stay here. This is New Town Hotel. New Town Plaza Hotel. Right, Tony?
Yes. It's really good. Especially when you want to be cold, but you want to swim at the same time.
Love, love.
Love, love.
Sige, let's enjoy the rest of our vacation. Later, we will go to Strawberry Fields.
Yeah.
Okay?
And then we're gonna go home. Till we meet again, Baguio.
Lagi naman tayo nandito. The last time we're here was, I think, 4 months ago.
Well, that was last year, technically.
Parang, we're going to Baguio like 3 to 4 times in a year. Kaya nga sawang-sawa na si tatay mag-Baguio.
Yeah.
Diba? But us, we are not, ano, diba?
We're determined to come back.
Yes, this is our, to go to vacation spot. Right? Okay, enjoy na. Love, love.
Love, love.
Saya ka na?
Yeah.
We're here at Strawberry Farm.
Second to the last destination before we go home, because if all goes well to plan, after this we're gonna go to Manawag.
Okay. Sige.
Welcome to Strawberry Farm! I'd really love to pick some strawberries, but due to limited time, we can only buy.
So we're just gonna buy, okay? Lamig ano? Wow, foggy dito, tanghaling tapat, pero it's so foggy. Ayun, ang fog. Ganda. Buying pasalubong time, Tony. Come on.
Let's go!
Okay. Ano, Tony, masarap?
Wala na siyang buo. Ito naman yung nag-grind. Ganito. Dried. Wala na siyang buo.
Strawberries are better than I thought they were.
Okay.
Baguio Hall! We got so many pasalubongs! Like strawberry jam, Mommy Ari! We ended up buying peanut brittle!
Yes, kasi dapat sa Good Shepherd kami magbabay ng peanut brittle. Kaso, yes, they are not making peanut brittle as of the moment. Ano yung flower na yon? Dahlia? Tama ba? Yung flowering na yan? We're gonna give that to Mami Yoli and Lola Honor, and Mamita also will get one. And the lettuce, grabe sa Samgyup tayo. Ang dami namin nabiling plant. Yung spider plant, nakakatawa. Ang mahal-mahal na mga halaman nung pandemic. Ngayon, mga 40?
50, mga 60 na.
Oo, tapos nagpapatawad na sila. Kahit wala kaming kasalanan, may tawad na, no? Ano yan? Nasa strawberry field kami, pero avocado pinili.
We are in the strawberry farm eating avocado ice cream.
Boom! Talaga naman si tatay, oh.
Slay!
Ayan. So, ang dami naming nabiling halaman. And strawberry. And ginger. Kasi ang bait-bait ni Lola, nabili natin ng lettuce. Hindi naman kami nang hihingi ng, ng additional. Binigyan niya kami. Kaya napabili ako ng luya kahit wala naman akong balak magluto.
And Gina, Nanay, look what I found in our lettuce. A snail!
Wow, a snail! So, it means it's organic. It's organic, don't panic. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang pesticide kasi nabubuhayan siya ng, diba?
It's organic.
Yeah. Okay. So, we better eat our ice cream. At least meron. Ayan! Thanks, tatay!
Snail, we found it in the lettuce.
Organic yung lettuce natin, may snail. Oh, at least alam mo na walang fertilizer yung nabili natin kasi nabubuhay ang snails. Ayan. Okay, oh, let's eat na. Wow, thank you for the ice cream. Okay. Enjoy, Tone. How's your strawberry ice cream?
It's so good. It's so sweet. So good. Let me try avocado.
Which one do you like better?
This tastes like a little bit of matcha or something. Tastes like it, but it's not it. This avocado is nice. I like it.
Okay, let's eat. Dig in.
Strawberry.
Later yung strawberry. Bumili rin kami ng fresh strawberries pero mamaya na hugasan muna natin ng malala. Hugas malala bago natin titikman, okay? Cheers!
Cheers! Clip haul! Bought these for 50 each. So I spent like 100, 200, 300, 400.
Ang saya mo, no?
Yeah!
Sana pagdating mo na Maynila, isuot mo pa rin yan, no?
Yeah. They're so cute. I have 2 regular duckies and 2 duckies with ribbons.
Okay, enjoy. We'll heading down na. We'll go to Our Lady of Manaoag to visit our pilgrim church, okay?
Yes, Pa.
Okay, later.
Later.
Ayan, Tony, tingnan mo na lang yung lion. Hindi na tayo bababa. Hello, Mr. Lion.
Bye, Baguio. See you next time.
Ano sabi mo, Tony?
Bye, Baguio. See you next time.
Kahit kailan di magsasawa si Tony mag-Baguio, right? Okay, keep us safe. Bye. See you later, Our Lady of Manaoag.
Lady of Manaoag. This is our
pilgrim church. Yes, whenever we go to the north,
we always visit this church.
yes, because this is our pilgrim church. Okay, we will pray for our guidance, protection, and blessing for always. Okay, thank you, Mama Mary, for keeping us safe and for giving us a happy, but even though it's short, it's still a happy vacation for us, okay? Okay, we will pray na. Thank you.
And now we're back home with my fresh strawberries. Last night, Nanay prepared these by dipping them in a water, salt,
super red ng berries na.
It's so sweet.
Masarap. 200 pesos daw yung dami na yan. Oh, naubo. 200 pesos daw yan, pero ano, sabi nung she can give it for 180. Hindi naman tayo tumatawad, pero siya na yung nagsabi. So, siguro nga, baka 180 lang siya talaga. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for the 20 peso discount. Let me show it here in the video.
It's so crunchy, sweet, and then it's sour.
Yes, strawberries are really sour sweet. Imported ata yung super sweet, yung dating dala sa atin from California. The super sweet strawberries and super laki. Ito, from Baguio. May sinabi silang variety eh. Ito daw yung matamis nila na variety. Kasi may isa daw, yung crunchy one, hindi daw matamis. But I forgot the taste.
I think like Sweet Charlie or something.
Sweet Charlie? Ito yung na-remember mo? Oh?
I'm not sure.
Siguro nga. Kasi ako nakalimutan ko na eh. Nakalimutan din namin bumili ng broccoli. Nakalimutan namin bumili ng cucumber. Nakabili lang kami ng lettuce. Para sa egg sandwich ni Tony. And then the rest, kaboom, we forgot. Kasi punong-puno yung kotse ng plants.
Yeah.
Sobrang dami naming plants na nabili. And back to normal na yung prices ng Baguio plants. Kasi nung pandemic, super nag-peak yung prices nila. Ngayon, back to normal na. May mga 3 for 100. Na may 45, 8, 60, mga ganun na lang, no? And I'm happy. Kaya napuno yung kotse ng plants. So, ending, wala kaming vegetable na nabili. But we went to Manawag. Later we'll show yung video ng binili ni tatay sa side ng highway sa Manawag. Kasi gabi na eh, madilim na. So later we'll show the video, okay? So enjoy your precious strawberries kasi konti lang yan. Konti lang yung nabili natin kasi itatry nga lang namin eh.
So good.
Yan.
I'm going in for another one.
Okay, enjoy Tony. Love, love.
Love, love. These are the fruits that we bought near Manawag Church. Suha, Chico, and my most favorite, mango! The vendor said that in 2 to 3 days, the mango will be ripe and yellow like this one.
Yes, and it's gonna be super sweet.
For those who are wondering why Baguio is my favorite place to go to vacation, it's not just because of the weather or the food, it's also because of the fruits that we bring back home with us. So, no matter how many times we go there, we're still going back. See you next time, Baguio. See you in a few months. Mwah! And for those who are new to my channel, I'm Sparkling Tony. Thank you for always watching my videos. Make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Let's sparkle together.